Hello students, I welcome you all to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarvo Vishwavidyalaya. In this video, we will discuss about functions of RBI. As we know, Reserve Bank of India is monetary authority of our country. The first and important function performed by Reserve Bank of India is issue of currency notes. Under section 22 of RBI Act, the bank has the sole right to issue currency notes of all denomination except 1 rupee coin and notes. The 1 rupee notes and coin and small coins are issued by central government and the distribution is undertaken by RBI as the agent of the government. Other notes are issued by Reserve Bank of India. As we know, except 1 rupee note are signed by Governor of RBI and 1 rupee note is signed by Financial Secretary of Government of India. Second, banker to the government. The act as a banker agent and as advisor to the government. It has obligation to transact the banking issues of central government as well as state government. For example, RBI receives and makes all payment on behalf of government, remits its funds, buys and sell foreign currencies for it, and give it advice on all banking matters. RBI helps the government, both central and state, to float new loans and manage public debt. The bank makes, weighs, and meets advances of the government. On behalf of central government, it sells treasury bills and thereby provides short-term finance. The third and important function performed by RBI is banker's bank and lender of the last resort. RBI acts as a bankers to other banks. It provides financial assistance to scheduled banks and state cooperative bank in form of rediscounting of eligible bills and loans and advances against approved securities. RBI acts as a lender of the last resort. It provides funds to banks when they fail to get it from other sources. It also acts as a clearing house. Through RBI, bank makes internet payments also. Control of the credit. Control of the credit. As we know, commercial bank perform the functions of credit creation. Through credit creation, commercial bank can create new money supply and RBI perform the function as a controller of credit with the help of monetary policy. We will discuss monetary policy in detail in next video. RBI has power to control the volume of credit created by banks. The RBI, through its various quantitative and qualitative techniques, regulates total supply of money and bank credit in the interest of economy. RBI pumps in money during busy season and withdraw money during slack season. This way, RBI performs an important function as a controller of credit, exchange control and custodian of foreign reserve. RBI has the responsibility of maintaining fixed exchange rate with all member countries of IMF. It means International Monetary Fund. For this, RBI has centralized all foreign exchange reserves. In brief, we known as Forex. RBI functions as a custodian of nations' foreign exchange reserve and it has to maintain external value of rupee. RBI achieves these aims to appropriate monetary, fiscal, and trade policies and exchange control. Collection and publication of data. This one is also important function performed by RBI. RBI collects and complies statistical information on banking and financial operation of the economy. The Reserve Bank of India Bulletin is a monthly publication. It not only provides information but also results of important studies and investigations conducted by Reserve Bank are given. The report on currency and finance is an annual publication. It provides a review of various development of economic and financial importance. Regulatory and supervisory function. As we have discussed, RBI is the monetary authority of our country. So, RBI has wide power of supervision and control over commercial and cooperative banks relating to license, establishment, branch expansion, liquidity of assets, management, and methods of working, amalgamation, reconstruction, and liquidation. The supervisory functions of RBI have helped a great in improving the standard of banking in India to develop on sound lines and to improve the method of their operation. Clearinghouse functions. RBI act as a clearinghouse of all member banks. This avoids unnecessary transfer of funds between the various banks. As we know, a person throw a check to his client of other bank to the other banks. So these all type of checks are clear in RBI. So this way, Reserve Bank of India performs important function as a clearing house of function, and it avoid unnecessary transfer of funds between the various banks. Development and promotional functions. The RBI has helped in setting up Industrial Finance Corporation of India, State Financial Corporation, Deposits Insurance Corporation, Agriculture Reliance and Development Corporation, Unit Trust of India, etc. These institutions were set up to mobilize savings, promote savings habit, and to provide industrial and agriculture finance. RBI has a special agriculture credit development which studies the problems of agriculture credit. For this, regional rural bank, cooperative, NABARD, etc. were established. The RBI has also taken measures to promote organized bill market to create elasticity in India, as well as monetary market in order to satisfy seasonal credit needs. So this way, Reserve Bank of India perform important function in our Indian economy. Let's revise all the functions one again and try to remember it. Number one is issue of currency notes, banker to the government, bankers bank and lender of the last resort, controller of credit, exchange control and custodian of foreign reserve, collection and publication of data, regulatory and supervisory function, clearing house functions, development and promotional functions.